You should watch this video, even if you just have 5 million Shiba tokens. The Shib team has made some significant statements on the plans and objectives for Shiba Inu in 2024. A lot of news has lately surfaced regarding Shiba Inu. You cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent information on Shiba Inu coins, and how will it impact the market value of Shiba Inu? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. But before we get into our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on January 16th. The current price of Shiba Inu is around 954 units. Over the last 24 hours, Shib's price has decreased by 3.3%, with a $113 million trading volume. The token is now the 19th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $5.6 billion. Note that these prices may have changed by the time you saw the video, and that the information provided here is not intended to be financial advice. Let's start the video for today now. Mysterious Shiba Inu whale spends $7 million on Shib and unexpected more. A mysterious investor has emerged amid the current boom in the cryptocurrency market, creating ripples with an unannounced buy of over $237.86 million. This is a stunning turn of events. 9 billion Shiba Inu coins as of right now, in line with the upward price trend of the well-known cryptocurrency. This investor, whose name is still unknown, rose quickly up the ranks to become one of the biggest Shiba recipients in existence today, according to Etherston statistics. Not only was a startling amount of Shiba obtained, but there were also some very interesting things that transpired after. Following the accumulation of Shiba Inu tokens valued as around $2.31 million, the investor purchased 101,844 FTX tokens, or $320,000. Furthermore, the enigmatic wallet was given 1,512 Ethereum, which has a $3.83 million market value. The invasion of whales, but this strange behavior with Shiba Inu, which includes the whale described before, has amassed an incredible 5.807 trillion Shib in the last 24 hours, or about 57.14 million. The real identity and motivation behind these enigmatic transactions are still unknown, despite the crypto world being abuzz with speculative activity. The unprecedentedly large size of these buys and the unexpected range of tokens acquired provide fascination to the continuing story of the development of the cryptocurrency market. What knowledge about Shiba Inu do these whales possess that would lead them to invest millions of dollars at the present price? They have to think that Shiba Inu are going to blow out in the next few weeks. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you were still watching. It is completely free and really helps with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments about the Shiba Inu currency. The Shiba burn rate of a Shiba Inu increases by 6,000%. Why is there a surge? Examining the Shib token burn rate increase in a startling occurrence for the cryptocurrency community, within the last week, the burn rate of the Shiba Inu token increased by an astounding 6,000%. Investors and enthusiasts alike have taken notice of this noteworthy rise, which entails the combustion of almost 9.4 billion coins. The workings and consequences of token burning, a common tactic used by cryptocurrencies to lower their supply in circulation, is token burning. These burns have the potential to create scarcity since they remove tokens from circulation indefinitely. The price of the remaining tokens may rise in response to this shortage if there is continued or growing demand. By using this tactic over the last week, Shiba Inu has destroyed more than 10% of all Shiba tokens from the previous year. Year burning down. Shib's burn rate has increased, which is consistent with the general market upswing, especially after many spot Bitcoin ETFs were recently approved in the US. Shib's prices have increased by around 5% during the last week to a high of 1,050 units, partly due to these market occurrences. Transactions on the Shibarium network are declining. Simultaneously, the Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network's transaction activity on Shibarium has significantly less than 2 million transactions have occurred on the network this month, compared to an average of 7 million daily in December 2023. A notable decline in network activity is shown by the fact that there were just 1.16 million transactions on January 3, 2024, compared to 7.84 million transactions on December 28, 2023. Other network data demonstrate the significant growth and acceptance that Shibarium has had since its introduction, even in spite of this reduction in transactions. As of right now, the Layer 2 blockchain has produced 2.64 million blocks and claims 1.3 million wallets. Furthermore, earlier this month, the total value locked on Shibarium reached a pinnacle of almost $1 million, highlighting the network's continued relevance and usefulness. The market situation of Shiba Inu and their prospects, the SHIB token burn rate, has recently increased, indicating how dynamic and ever-changing the cryptocurrency market is in the face of shifting network activity and market circumstances. The intricacies of handling digital assets and adapting to market trends are shown by Shiba Inu's calculated actions and the responses of the Shibarium network. Investors and fans will likely be keenly monitoring the choices and changes within the Shiba Inu ecosystem as the cryptocurrency environment continues to change, since these events might have wider repercussions for decentralized networks and all currencies. It's time for the video's primary plot now. Lead Shiba Inu developer reveals insanely optimistic outlook for 2024 with a 001 SHIB price target of high. In spite of diversions in the cryptocurrency field, Shiba Inu's principal developer, Satoshi Kusama, has encouraged the community to stay focused on its primary goal. Kusama shifted the emphasis to the establishment of a network state, highlighting the significance of Web3 and introducing the idea of Shiba-named tokens, while the rest of the market is aflutter with talk about the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF and recent hacking on the SEC's official X account. Salutations, Shiba Army. As everyone's attention is on whether something has been authorized or not, we continue to concentrate on producing what we promised. Wednesday, Kusama sent a tweet. At the start of the long message, Kusama informed his 954,000 followers that Shiba Inu is working with Domain AI startup P3 in order to submit an application for the top-level domain .shib. The pundit claims that even though there are only 425 million users in the entire cryptocurrency market, 198 million more people have accessed the internet in the last year, making the .shib domain initiative a calculated move to gain access to the infrastructure used by a hopping 5.3 billion internet users globally. The principal developer underscored the function of domain names as the internet's identity layer, stressing its user-friendliness for more than 4 decades. He believes that if the .shib TLD is authorized, Shiba Inu will be able to create a thorough identity layer on the internet that is accessible without the need for additional plugins, extensions, wallets, or software. Kusama also provided a detailed illustration of the possible uses for .shib domains, imagining a day where people may host websites, blogs, online shops, exchange emails, move digital assets, and create their own identities on Web3 platforms. The community was then pushed by the lead developer to sign up for early access to the whitelist, signaling the beginning of a revolution in digital identification and a group effort to take over the internet with the .shib domain. Having said that, this strategic move is in line with Shiba Inu's overarching goal of facilitating Web 2 and Web 3 interoperability, making it the first ecosystem to smoothly combine a domain name system with a top TLT tailored to cryptocurrencies. As the initiative moves forward, Shiba Inu want to become a trailblazer in changing the way people see digital identity and online interaction. The cryptocurrency world is keeping a close eye on SHIB as it continues to rise thanks to the booming activity in the Shibarium network. Will this momentum allow SHIB to accomplish the much desired milestone of removing 3 zeros from its value and beyond to reach zero? Many of our subscribers remark that they plan to keep onto their millions of SHIBs and not sell them for the next 5 years, believing in the creators of the breed and its true worth. What many of ones do you guys have? Remember to provide a list of your SHIB holdings in the box below the comments. Let's give the SHIB Bureau credit for having faith in and trusting the procedure. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to get updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications.